from C. Burgess says, can this be used on a mobile device? I'm assuming you're talking about the demo that we did earlier with Collie Linux. Yes, but it's a little bit more hard. It's a little more difficult, right? If you're on an Apple device like I am, I'm an iPhone guy. No, the answer is no, you can't. Apple will not let you install Kali Linux on there. But I will tell you that I have an old Android that I bought that is not tied to a cell plan or anything like that. And I have wiped that device, and it's an ARM-based processor. And I was able to install Kali Linux on it using the mobile version. They have one called NetHunter, which is their mobile version of Kali Linux. And I use that with a little external Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. And literally, I can go in a coffee shop with my little phone there and start doing my hacks from there. And you'd never know because I'm just playing on my phone. You can do the same thing on a tablet size if you have an Android. Or I used to have a little netbook, which was like a little 8-inch laptop that would fold open. I don't think they even make those anymore, but they used to have them. It was called Acer One. It was made by Acer. And I had Kali Linux on that, and I would use that for penetration tests as well because it was really small. It was about that big. It was like an 8-inch little laptop that would just fold open like a clamshell. So there are some out there you can use. And then there's other things you can find out there as well, like Rubber Ducky. There's one that's called the Dolphin, which is a wireless attack device. Unfortunately, it's downstairs, so I can't get it to you, but it's literally about this big. And I can use that to copy key fobs for cars, RFID tags for entry badges, garage doors. So if I go by Jamario's house when he's opening his garage door, I can capture that signal, come back 3 hours later and open his garage or shut his garage, all those kind of things. There's another one called the Rubber Ducky. There's lots of these things out there, and a lot of hackers will make their own tools that are convenient to take with them, and a lot of them are